Hello, Benizens! Welcome back to my channel. I'm gineerbens. But if you're new to this channel creates video tutorial on building construction related videos. Now, if so happen that you're looking for those type of content, feel free to consider subscribing my channel. You can tap that notifications bell para ma-update every time na meron tayong bagong upload, katulad na lang ng video na ito. But in this episode, pag-usapan po natin ang update natin sa November 2023 promo ng SMDC condominium units. So if you're interested to invest in a condominium unit sa SMDC, just stick around para malaman mo kung ano yung ating mga latest promo and prices sa ating mga condominium units. So we'll be right back after this intro. Ayan guys, so ang ating pag-uusapan for today, we will just have an update sa ating promo ng ating condominium unit. So you will have your multiple options kung saan mo gustong mag-invest. So basically guys, ang ating condominium ay Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And for this video, ito yung mga updates sa ating mga prices. So unang project natin is itong sa Calm Residences. Ito ay medium-rise building na located siya sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Tapos ang kanyang prices dito ay more or less mga nasa 3 million pesos lang. So ang ating down payment is payable siya in 42 months. In this case, magmamonthly lang po tayo ng 1,100 reals. So, like, multiply mo lang yan ng 14 pesos. That's the amount in peso. So, that's one bedroom. Next property is Charm Residences na ito ay nasa Felix Avenue ng Cainta, Rizal. 2 bedroom siya, ready for occupancy. 36 months to pay ang down payment and it will cost you 1,200 reals lang. Naka-promo po yan. Meron din tayo sa Pampanga, which in this case, ito po ay house and lot. House and lot, loft type, inner siya. And then for 12 months lang babayaran yung down payment. And magmamonthly ka lang dito na 1,349. So after payment natin guys ng down payment, i-hand over na sa atin yung unit. Then meron tayong sa Visayas, sa Iloilo, Glade Residences. 1 bedroom that is 48 months to pay na 1,000 reals lang din siya. Then sa ating, meron din tayong Quezon City, that is 50 months to pay for down payment. Then naka 15% discount po yung ating Glam Residences. That will cost you 1,230 Saudi Riyals. That's for 1 bedroom. That's for Quezon City. Next property is Fame sa Mandaluyong. Ito ay high-rise building. RFO na rin po siya. 10% discount. In 35 months, magbabayad po tayo ng 1,598. That is the cost for 1 bedroom with balcony. Next nating property is sa Sukat, Parañaque. Kung may mga naghahanap ng Sukat, Parañaque, we have fixed amount na 4.8. In this case, 36 months to pay yung ating down payment. That cost you 1,300 reals for 1 bedroom with balcony. Yun po yung ating field residence sa Sukat, Parañaque. Next is sa C5 Pasig City Gem Residences. For 1 bedroom, 54 months to pay, 1,000 reals yung ating babayaran. Next, meron tayong Ice Tower na nasa MOA, malapit sa MOA, Mall of Asia Arena. 48 months to pay, that will cost you 1,713 Saudi Riyals. And itong Ice Tower is, maganda po itong condominium na to dahil pwede siyang residential office. So, meron ditong mga units na good for offices. That's for MOA. To think MOA, diba? 1,713 for 48 months. Meron din tayong Lift Residences na ito po ay nasa Susana Heights, Muntinlupa. So, 2 bedroom for 36 months. Babayaran mo is magmamonthly ka ng 1,000 reals for 36 months. Meron din tayong Gold kung gusto niyo ng pre-selling in front of Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 1. That's Gold Residences, 48 months. Magbabayad tayo ng monthly 1,739, good for 1 bedroom. So magandang investment to kasi sobrang tapat ng NAIA Terminal 1. Hill Residences, that's located in Quezon City. RFO na rin po to in 36 months. Magbabayad po tayo ng monthly 1,000 reals. Ready for occupancy. Meron din tayo sa Cavite. Kung naghahanap kayo sa Cavite, that's payable in 36 months yung ating down payment. That cost you 1,000 reals. So, Flexi Suite po yung ating unit dito sa 13 Martires, Cavite. Next, meron tayong sa Makati, Red Residences. 1 bedroom with balcony, 48 months yung ating down payment, payable in 48 months. Then, that will cost you 2,000 reals. Naka 10% discount po tayo sa Red Residences. Next is Santa Rosa, Park Residences. Flexi Suite yung unit, and then payable in 42 months. Mura lang, less than 1,000. That's 978 Saudi Riyals per month. Meron tayong Light 2. Light 2 is located siya sa MRT station ng EDSA Boni. So, 1 bedroom with balcony, 48 months to pay ang down payment, at magmamonthly tayo ng 1,398 Saudi Riyal. Balik tayo sa Makati, meron tayong Lush Residences. Ang Lush Residence is maganda siya dahil more on like environmental friendly. Yung may marami siyang like super green yung building nyo. Payable siya for 48 months ang down payment that will cost you 1,864 Saudi Riyals. Then meron din tayong Mint Residences sa Makati din, 52 months. That will cost you 1,426 Saudi Riyals. Then, meron din tayong sa Roas Boulevard. And this is pre-selling Sands Residences sa Roas Boulevard. Payable in 60 months. That will cost you 1,200 Riyals per month. Meron din tayong South 2. Kung gusto niyo sa Las Piñas, 1 bedroom with balcony. 36 months to pay. And then, that will cost you 1,500 Riyals. Then, sa Mall of Asia, meron tayong sale. 48 months to pay, and that will cost you 2,966 Saudi Riyals. Medyo, syempre, pricey sa MOA dahil yung super prime yung location. Marami tayo dito mga establishments na nakapalibot. So, kaya sobrang sakto lang talaga yung pricing ng ating mga condominium units dyan. 1 bedroom with balcony. Meron din tayong S Residences. That's in MOA also. 48 months to pay. Payable in 48 months yung ating down payment, and it will cost you 1,648 Saudi Riyals, and ang unit natin mako is Family Suite B with balcony. Meron din tayong available pa sa Shore 3. Medyo konti na lang natira ng ating Shore 3. 48 months to pay, 1,716 Saudi Riyals per month. Twin Residences sa Las Piñas, 68 months to pay and 1,000 Riyals lang po yung ating babayaran. Sa Iloilo, Flexi Suite Style Residences, 30 months to pay, 1,463 Saudi Riyals per month. Then, meron tayong Vines. Nako, itong Vines Residences, 42 months for 1,000 Riyals. That's 2 bedroom with balcony. And then, meron din tayong Smile sa Bacolod. That's 40 months to pay and 1,384 Riyals per month. Bloom Residence sa Paranaque, 42, payable in 42 months. And ang monthly natin is 1,323 Saudi Riyals. And then, Jade Residence sa Makati, 72 months. Studio type, nagmamonthly tayo dito ng 1,350 per month. Lastly, meron tayong Coast Residences, 36 months to pay. And that will cost you 1,700 per month. At ang ating unit ay Family Suite B with balcony. Yan guys yung ating update sa ating November 2023 promo. If interesado kayo mag-invest, you can just contact me on my social media, gineerbens. Pwede kayong mag-message sa akin sa FB page. And you can actually also contact me in WhatsApp. And I will put on the description below yung ating mga contact details. Para if you have your questions, I can entertain you, as well as kung interested kayo mag-invest ng condominium unit under ng SMDC, makakatulong ako sa inyo on the process of getting your investment sa condominium unit. So, bakit nga ba tayo mag-invest sa condo? Firstly, may mga advantage at disadvantage kahit saan ka man mag-invest. Kahit na sabihin mong mag-invest ka man sa crypto, sari-sari store, or magbe-business ka ng babuyan, whatever business it is, meron po tayong tinatawag na pros and cons. Meron tayong mga negative, positive, syempre. So, the same din dito sa condominium unit. The good thing is, pag sabihin nating investment at least, maraming positive na maidudulot sa atin. So, I would encourage you to at least invest sa condominium unit. If you wanna try for a little amount, so you can have your house and lot, meron po tayong house and lot, or you can invest for condominium unit na medyo mababa yung price. Like, meron tayong mga 3 million pesos na mga units. So, ayan guys, if you're interested again, just contact me on my social media account. And I hope na mabilis kayo makapag-decide for your investment. So this is real estate, kung saan yung mga mayayaman ay nag-i-invest dito sa real estate. So I guess that's it for our November 2023 promo. And I hope that you will find your choice sa pag-i-invest ng mga condominium unit. So I guess that's it for this episode, and hope to see you again sa ating next episode. That would be all, and God bless. Bye! And by the way guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media account. Wherever you watch this video, please consider subscribing or follow my social media account. So that's it, and have a great day, and God bless. Bye!